Hi guys, my name is Nur Maulidia from International Relations. Today I want to show you how to use colon. What is a colon? A colon is a type of punctuation mark that lets the reader know that an explanation or example will follow. Writers use a colon in many different situations. Using a colon to introduce a list. One of the most common use of a colon is to introduce a list of items. Remember not to place a colon directly after a verb, a preposition, or the word because and as talk. Instead, replace the sentence. This is I show to you example of colon. When we go to campus, be sure to bring this item with you: book, pen, pencil, and bag. Of example, use a colon to introduce quotations that are either formal or lengthy. And the third example of colon, other common colon uses. Use colon after greeting in business letter and after labels that call attention to important ideas. Also place colon between the hour and minutes in a notation of time and between chapter and verses from certain religious texts. You can look example in this video. Okay guys, thank you for your attention in this video. See you.